Hindustan Zinc, India's largest zinc producer and the world's second largest integrated zinc producer, has been caught in a downward spiral as its share price declines significantly. Prices of Hindustan Zinc have declined by more than 18% in the last 3 days, to be precise, on the back of an offer by sale by the promoter. The primary culprit behind the steep decline is Vedanta Limited, the company's promoter, which has initiated an offer for sale to divest a portion of its stake. Before we start, let's understand what is an OFS. OFS stands for offer for sale. It is a method used by companies or promoters to sell a part of their stake in a company to the public. This is done through the stock exchange or during the IPO phase. In this case, Vedanta, the promoter of Hindustan Zinc, is offloading a portion of its holding in the company. The image on the screen shows the press release regarding the offer for sale of equity shares with an option of oversubscription. Basically, Vedanta has approved the sale of up to 13.37 crore shares, representing 3.2% equity in Hindustan Zinc Limited at a floor price of 486 rupees. The floor price was set at a discount of 15% to when the OFS commenced. The issue opened on August 16th for non-retail investors, while today, the 19th, the issue opens for retail investors and has a reservation of 10%. Just for your information, as of the first quarter of fiscal year 25, Vedanta, the promoter of Hindustan Zinc, held 64.92% stake, while the Government of India held 29.54%, while LIC, on the other hand, holds 2.76% of Hindustan Zinc. Okay, now coming back to the story, why is Vedanta selling off 3.2% of his stake in Hindustan Zinc? Vedanta's stake sale follows after the company has been coupled with heavy debt over the years. If you see the chart on your screen, while the debt did reduce, the last few years the debt has seen a notable increase. In fact, fiscal year 24 saw the net debt rise to over 78,000 crore rupees. The offer is being undertaken by Vedanta to significantly reduce its overall debt burden and deleverage its balance sheet. Additionally, the funds will be used for growth and expansion purposes. The OFS will ultimately strengthen the company's financial position. Vedanta previously also halted the sale of its steel business after and kept it on hold as it secured funding worth 8,500 crores through a qualified institutional placement of shares. To conclude, the announcement of OFS has led to a significant decline in Hindustan Zinc share price. This is primarily due to the market perception of increased supply of the stock. When a large shareholder like Vedanta decides to sell a part of its stake, it can create selling pressure, leading to a drop in its share price. It's important to note that while the OFS has triggered a price drop, Hindustan Zinc remains a monopoly, holding a massive 75% market share in India's primary zinc industry. The long-term prospects of the company will depend on other factors such as zinc prices, production costs, and demand for zinc. Investors should conduct their own due diligence before making any investment decisions. Having said that, this is me, Ralston, signing off. Have a great day and stay safe.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.